Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to enable dark mode in Windows 11. Just follow these simple steps. Let's start. Right-click Windows Start and select Settings. Select Personalization. Click Colors and choose your mode. Then change Light to Dark. Now, notice your PC now turns to dark mode. I hope you liked this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to hit also the notification bell, so you will get the latest video tutorials.